Hola! For anybody that missed the Google Meet on Tuesday, we practiced listening to get you ready for the listening on your Chapter 4 test next week, which will count as bonus points on your test. Doing the map activities are always difficult because the directions words are a little challenging, so it's important that you notice derecha with an A is to the right, derecho with an O is straight, and izquierda is to the left. So if you look at this picture here on the map on page 228, exercise 6 was the activity that we did on Tuesday. You always have to notice where you're starting from because that makes a big difference for where you're going and also what street people are turning on. So in this listening, you're going to start at the Grand Hotel here. And if it tells you to turn left, then you'd be going up. So that looks a little bit weird. And as I mentioned in our meeting, people are used to GPS, so they're not used to looking at maps. So sometimes if you turn left, it could be going up. If you turn right, it could be going down. Or if you exited on this street, then turning right would make you go up. So you kind of have to notice which direction you're moving. The directions for this activity ask you to write the letter of the correct place. So if you would like to email me or share with me a Google Doc with your answers, I can help you to see if those are correct or not, and then you could get some extra points on the grammar quiz that you took on Tuesday. So if we do the first one from the directions here, it tells you, empecé mi excursión del centro histórico en el Gran Hotel. Salí del hotel, crucé la calle Monte de Piedad y llegué a la plaza. So if you followed those directions, it told you for the first one that you begin in the Grand Hotel, you left the hotel, and crucé la calle, you crossed the street Monte de Piedad. So you have to see that you're crossing this way. This is the direction that you're leaving. And then it tells you that you arrive at the plaza. So when you arrive at the plaza, you can see that this is where you are. So the first answer is letter E, and it's important that you see that because that's where you start for number 2. So for each one of these listenings that I'll read, then you start at the place that you left off for the previous question. So for number 2, we already know number 1 is E. Number 2 says in the script, seguí derecho hasta el centro de la plaza y luego doble a la izquierda. Crucé la plaza y llegué frente a un edificio grande. Crucé la calle y entré al edificio. So once you find where you are for number 2, then for number 3, we have después de tomar fotos de la catedral, salí a la calle otra vez. De la puerta de la catedral, doble a la izquierda y comencé a caminar hasta llegar a la esquina de la calle República de Argentina. En la esquina, doble a la izquierda y caminé una cuadra. Crucé la calle y allí llegué a las ruinas. And then for number 4, después de ver las ruinas y tomar fotos, fui al museo al lado. El museo está en la esquina de las calles Justo Sierra y Carmen. And then from there for number 5, decidí almorzar del museo, seguí por la calle Justo Sierra, hasta llegar a la calle Monte de Piedad. Doble a la izquierda y caminé 2 cuadras. En la segunda cuadra, a la derecha, vi un lugar bonito y allí almorcé. So again, if you wanted to try to send me those, you could get some extra points for each one that you get correct. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.